Welcome class. Today we are going to solve some of the questions from your Viva book. That is review exercise page number 199. Here I have taken one question. This is question number 2 from MCQs. That question has been asked, if a ribbon of length 20 cm is stitched around a tablecloth making 2 rounds along its boundary, then the perimeter of the tablecloth is how much? Here, okay, let's come to this situation. Here I have taken question number 2 from your book. One tablecloth is there. We don't know the measure of this tablecloth, that length, breadth, anything else. Only it has been given that one ribbon has been stitched over it and it is used for 2 rounds. So it is 1 round, then on the same another 1 round. So 2 round. And that length of the ribbon after this taking two round, it is here given 20 centimeter long. Okay, so let's go for that. Length of the ribbon equal to 20 centimeter. Yes, and this is the 2 round around the tablecloth. Okay, so length of the ribbon for 1 round. Yes, length of the ribbon for 1 round equal to how much? That is definitely, if 2 round is 20 centimeter, so 1 round will be what? 10 centimeter. Yes, now you have asked that what is the perimeter of the tablecloth? That means if you are taking only 1 round around the tablecloth, that means the length for 1 round, this is the perimeter. So here your answer will be perimeter of the tablecloth is equal to 10 centimeter. This much only. Come to the next question. Come to the question number 5 of the same. Here you have asked, come to question number 5 of the MCQ. Here you have asked, if the length of a rectangle is double and its breadth is half, then its area will be, what will be the correct answer for that? First option is remain same, becomes half, doubles or become 1/4. Okay, let's come to the that situation. When it was that length and breadth, length equal to L and breadth equal to B. So area will be what? Area will be L into B. Now come to the another situation. When in the second situation length is double. Now the length become, earlier it was L, now it is changed to 2L. Yes, and breadth. It's become what? Earlier it was B, now it's become half. So I can write it B by 2, it's become half of the initial one. So here in this case, what will be the area? See, in this situation, area will be, again we will go for the same formula, length into breadth. So that will be 2L into B by 2. So after cancellation, what is remaining? LB. So what changes you have seen here? There is no change in the area. So your answer will be, yes, it will be option A. Your answer is option A. The area will remain same. Area will remain same here. Okay, now come to the last question. Yes, here I am looking for question number 8 from the MCQ. You have given that if two plane figures A and B coincide with each other, then they have what? They have equal area. Yes, equal perimeter. Yes, then equal area and perimeter or none of these. Okay, let's come to that situation. Suppose two figure has been given. They are coincide. Coincide means, if suppose I am thinking about a rectangle and I am putting another rectangle on that. Yes, so that it will be completely covered. Coincide means cover. Yes. So when it will cover completely, here you can see if they have the same perimeter and the same area. But if it will be different, here let it be, I have taken two rectangle of, here it is 3 into 4, 3 centimeter into 4 centimeter, that is also 3 centimeter into 4 centimeter, two rectangles I have taken. So when they have the same area and the same perimeter, here area will be how much and perimeter will be how much? Perimeter will be 2 into L plus B, means what you are getting, it will be 4 plus 3, 7 to the 14 centimeter. Yes, and area what you will get, that will be 12 centimeter square. Now in this case, here also you will get perimeter equal to 14 centimeter and area will be what? 12 centimeter square. So when they have the same perimeter and same area, only on that situation they will overlap. That means they will coincide. That means it will be completely covered. But in other situation, suppose I have taken one rectangle, let it be, here it is again 3 and 4 centimeter. Yes, that means area we are getting that is equal to 12 centimeter square. Another rectangle I have taken, that is 6 into 2, here it is 2 centimeter, that is 6 centimeter. Okay, so area is coming what? Here in this case, area again you are getting 12 centimeter square. They have the same area, but will they overlap? No. In this case, they will not coincide, because see, if you are putting it on that, what will happen? That one side of this, it will be remain uncovered, and that length, by that length, that rectangle will come out of this one. It will not, in this second situation, it will not overlap, it will not coincide. Yes, see, by the when you will get that area and perimeter will be same, on that situation only they will overlap or they will coincide. So here your answer will be option C, that equal area and perimeter. Only on this situation they will coincide. So let's try for the remaining question, and again we will meet.